Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Notice the bumblebee, the small child, and the smiling faces. Smell the rain and feel the wind. Live your life to the fullest potential and fight for your dreams. Ashley Smith. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky. Rabindranath Tagore. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Unknown. Into each life some rain must fall, some days must be dark and dreary. Henry Wadsworth. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. Langston Hughes. The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. Dolly Parton. Celebrate the rain. It only means that the sun shall shine bigger and brighter than ever. Unknown. Anyone who says sunshine brings happiness has never danced in the rain. Unknown. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Vivian Green. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.